What's going on, boaters? This is Dylan with MarineMax Dallas. We're standing in front of a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270. We've got it paired up with a custom, beautiful boat bay trailer right here. Let's check out the inside and see what else this boat has. All right, so here we are inside the SDX 270. As you can tell, we've got gray SeaDek matched up with our stone upholstery. Looks really good. SDXs are known for the reversible backrest, so you've got your co-captain here. You've got room for two people here if your co-captain wants to sit next to your driver. Twin screens, the notorious SDX head, ginormous in here in front of your helm. The bow seating gives you a deck boat feel with the amount of space up here, but it's still not a deck boat. It's your sporty Sea Ray version. Huge stop pad up here for when you're getting people on and off the boat. These are just a few of the small cool features on this SDX 270. If you'd like to learn more, please come see us right here at MarineMax Dallas.